Hello and welcome to this course titled Spring Boot Quick Start. This is going to be a quick start introduction to Spring Boot and how you can use it to create Spring applications. This course assumes no previous knowledge of Spring Boot, but it does require some basic knowledge of the Spring framework itself. Spring Framework is actually an enterprise Java framework which lets you write enterprise Java applications. And Spring Boot is basically a way in which you can bootstrap or quickly start up a simple Spring application. I actually shouldn't say simple. You can actually build really complex applications with Spring Boot. And one of the main ideas behind Spring Boot is that you can actually have an easy to start Spring application. You can actually build it all the way to prod, and you can have an end-to-end application which is production ready that you can create in a matter of seconds using Spring Boot. So it's very exciting. And Spring Boot is personally my favorite way of creating Spring applications. If you were to come to me and say, hey Kaushik, I need this Spring application created from the scratch, my go-to approach is using Spring Boot to create it. So that's why I'm very excited about this course, and I hope you are too. We're going to be looking at Spring Boot, and we're going to be building an end-to-end application using Spring Boot. We're going to be building an end-to-end RESTful API, which has like a controller and endpoint, and it connects to the database. So it's the whole end-to-end flow. So I'm really excited. Let's get started with Spring Boot Quick Start.